Good morning, students. In our previous class already we have learned the errors and approximation. How to do this errors and approximate, that we have already learned. Today we will solve few questions from the exercise of this errors and approximation chapter. So we know that f of x plus del x minus fx is equals to f dash x del x, or we can say that del y equals to f dash x del x, where del x and del y, these are known as differentials, and del x by x is called relative error, where del x is called the absolute error. Now, how to solve the questions of errors and approximation already we have done. So few more exercise and important question we will solve today. In the first question it is given that using differentials find the approximate value of the square root of 26. Square root of 26, this we have to find using differentials. So here if we choose fx equals to root x, the value of x is given 26. Now if fx equals to root x, what will be the value of f dash x? We know that this is equals to 1 by 2 root x, ddx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Now if we apply the formula f of x plus del x minus fx equals to f dash x del x, if we apply this formula over here, what we have, that f of x plus del x minus fx equals to 1 by 2 root x del x, f dash x value we are putting. Now it is very close to the given number and easily you can find the square root. That number you have to choose here. Now putting x equals to 25 and del x equals to 1, we have, if we put it over here or here, what we have? We have that f of 26 minus f of 25 is equals to 1 by 2 root x, because del x equals to 1. Now root x is equals to 25, so this is equals to 1 by 2 root 25 and this is equals to 1 by 10. That means f of 26 equals to f of 25 plus 1 by 10. Now f of 25, we know that fx is root x. Fx is root x, so f of 25 equals to root 25, that is 5. So this is equals to root 25 plus 0.1 is equals to 5 plus 0.1 equals to 5.1. That means root 26 is equals to 5.1, because f of 26 means root 26. So this is equals to 5.1. In this way we can solve the problem of approximation using differentials. Okay, next question. Question number 2, it is given that using differentials find the approximate value of root under 0.037. This is a very important question. We are using differential, so you have to approximate this value. So here also square root is there. That means we have to choose fx equals to root x. Then we have to find f dash x, and we have to apply the formula of error. So let fx equals to root x, then f dash x equals to 1 by 2 root x, let 0.037 this is equals to 0.00 or 0.04 minus 0.003. Why 0.04 I have taken? Because 0.04, if we take square root of this number, easily we can find the square root, that is 0.2. So you have to choose a number which is very close to this, and we can easily find the square root since square root is given. That's why 0.04 we have taken. And also we have to choose x equals to 0.04 and del x equals to minus 0.003. Now if we apply the formula f of x plus del x minus fx equals to f dash x del x, this gives us f of 0.037 minus f of 0.04 is equals to 1 by 2 root 0.04 into del x means minus 0.003. This equals to f of 0.037 is equals to f of 0.04 plus 1 by 2 into 0.2 into minus 0.003. So this is equals to root under 0.04. Here minus will come. If we multiply here, we will get 0.4. So 0.003 divided by 0.400. Now decimal we can remove. So here it is coming 0.2 minus 3 by 400. So this is equals to 400 LCM. 400 into this 80 minus 3, that is 77 by 400. 77 by 400, easily we can do the division. 0.0, so 0.1, 370 again 0, 9s are, so this will come. That means root under 0.037, this is equals to this. Next question, it is also a very important question. Question number 3. If fx equals to 3x square plus 15x plus 5, then find the approximate value of f of 3.02 using differentials. Fx is given and using differentials we have to find the value of f of 3.02. So here fx is given, first we have to differentiate it. Fx equals to 3x square plus 15x plus 5. That means f dash x equals to 6x plus 15. Now we will apply the formula. What is that formula? Formula, we know that f of x plus del x minus fx is equals to f dash x del x. Now putting x equals to 3 and del x equals to 0.02, because f of 3.02 we have to find that 3.02 we are breaking like this, 3 plus 0.2. Now if we put the value, what we will get? Therefore f of 3.02 minus f of 3 is equals to 6 into 3, 6x plus 15 into del x. This is coming. That means f of 3.02, here we have to find the value of f of 3. So in the main given expression, if we put in the place of x3, what we have? 3 into 3 square plus 15 into 3 plus 5. That is 9 3 is a 27 plus 45 plus 5, 50, 77 minus 77 is equals to 18 plus 15, that is 33. 33 into this, 33 to the 66, that is 0.66. So f of 3.02, this is equals to 77 plus 0.66 is equals to 77.66. This is the answer. So it's very easy to find the approximate value by using formula. Just you have to practice, and short questions will come from this chapter. Now what problem? Here we will use del y is equals to dy by dx into del x. This formula, application of this formula. Del y equals to f dash x del x, that means dy by dx into del x. So the question will be like this: if y equals to x to the power 4 minus 12 and x changes from 2 to 1.99, what is the approximate changes in y? X changes from 2 to 1.99, changes in y we have to find. So first y equals to x to the power 4 minus 12, it is given. So from here we can easily find dy by dx is equals to 4x cube. Now x changes from 2 to 1.99. So first we have to find the value of dy by dx at the point x equals to 2. What is that value? 4 into 2 cube, that is 4 into 8 equals to 32. Now del x equals to 1.99 minus 2, that is minus 0.01. This is the value of del x. This is final value, this is earlier value, so this is the change. Therefore del y, changes in y we have to find. This is changes in x, is equals to dy by dx into del x, that is 32 into minus 0.01 is equals to minus 0.32. This is the changes in y. So in this way we can solve the problem of approximate using this formula. Del y equals to dy by dx into del x. One more important formula we will solve. If the length of a simple pendulum is decreased by 2%, find the percentage decreased in its period t, where t equals to 2 pi root under L by G. This is the question. T equals to 2 pi root under L by G. If t equals to 2 pi root L by G, what will be the value of log t? If we take log t, what we will get? This is equals to log of 2 pi root under L by G. That means log t is equals to log 2 pi by root G plus log root L. I have separated this 2 pi root L, 2 pi by root G I have taken separated, and root L taken separated. That means log t is equals to log 2 pi by root G plus half log L. Root means half. Now if we differentiate both sides with respect to L, what we get? Here 1 by t into dt by dl is equals to, here t is also not present, L is also not present, so this is constant, that is 0, and here we will get 1 by 2L. That means del t is equals to dy by dx or dt by dl into del L. What we have to find? Change in t. So del t is equals to dt by dl into del L. dt by dl value is t by 2L. So which implies del t is equals to t by 2L into del L. Now percentage we have to find. That means del t by t is equals to del L by 2L. This implies del t by t into 100 is equals to del L by 2L into 100. Now del L by L, this is given in question, decreased by 2%. That means minus 2 by 100. So here it comes, this is equals to half into minus 2 by 100 into 100. So 100 cancel, 2 cancel, that is minus 1. Therefore, question is find the percentage decrease in the period t. Therefore, t will decreased by 1%. Decreased in 1%. Since negative means decreased. So in this way we can solve the problem of approximation. Okay, thank you students. In our next class we will solve few more questions from application of derivative.